Hello, hello.
Hello.
This is...
No, I do you first.
Okay, I am.
Listen.
And this is Mazzy. And today we're making cookies.
Cookies.
Sugar cookies.
Ooh,
Now,
snail cookies.
we're making special cookies. What are we making them in the shape of today?
Snails.
Snails.
And worms.
And worms. Because we like snails and worms, right? Yeah.
Wow.
And Mazzy, today, she's going to tell us how to make our snail
Yeah,
cookies.
at one time I saw a snail in the park at my school.
Yeah? What did it have on its back? What's that little curly thing? It's shell.
So,
Yeah. Did the snail you saw have a shell? Yeah. Cool. Do you know what the shell is made out of? Its shell's made of calcium. Did you know that? And the shell is actually attached to the shell, or to the snail. Did you know that? And it grows with them. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. It's their exoskeleton. All right, you're gonna show our friends how we're gonna make our snail.
okay, first you like a snake.
Yeah, make it like a snake. And we just use some sugar cookie cut out dough. And then we're gonna make it.
Roll it.
Yeah,
Shell.
we're gonna make it shell by rolling it. Good job. And then next, what are we gonna do next?
Flatten its head, but you can make it bigger.
We're gonna give it its little head. And then we're going to give it its eyes. Oh, uh-oh, I think his eyes came off. We're gonna have to move his head again. That's okay, right? Mistakes happen. Accidents happen. Yeah, okay, you wanna go ahead and give him some new eyes? We'll make some new eyes for him. Be careful with our knife. You should only use a knife if there's an adult by you. You wanna turn it over? Turn it over. His head fell off again. It's okay. Right? What do we do when we get frustrated? We take a deep breath.
I feel happy again.
Good.
Even by
Here, I'm gonna help
when
you.
my mom's by me.
Yeah. Do you usually not feel happy when I'm by you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes you said, look at our snail. And then we're gonna cook him, and we're gonna give him some eyeballs and a little smile.
Yeah. The next one's a surprise one. I
Okay.
totally think you're
Okay. We're gonna do a worm.
No, heart worm.
Oh, okay. Well, let's just do a regular one. Oh, a heart snail. We're also gonna do a worm too, right? I'll do a worm and you do a snail.
Okay. First, for a heart snail. Heart snail. I just said that. You need to roll it out,
Mm-hmm.
but not all the way.
Yeah.
Roll, 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 roll.
Careful with our knife. Uh-huh. There you go, so everybody can see you making it. Good job. And then you're gonna go ahead and get his eyes. You don't have to flatten his head. Careful with our knife. Perfect. All right. Can I lift him up and show everybody? And Mazzy made a heart snail.
Cute. Whoops.
It's okay. Do you want to go ahead and finish my worm for me? What is our worm missing?
It's
What do we call those?
segments.
Yeah, and that's the little sections of its body. And we don't cut all the
The
way into our
beak.
cookie. Yeah, they're the little lines in our worm. You can space them out a little bit.
Now I'm doing it like a real worm.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they have lots of little segments on their body. Right.
Yeah.
Where do worms live? Do you know where they live?
Underground.
Underground.
Only when the worms only when the rain stops, only the worms come out.
Yeah, they like the moist dirt, right? They can't live in dry dirt because then they dry out. Yeah.
They only pop out once the sun is out.
Yeah, they don't come out when it's raining.
After.
Oh, gotcha. After. All right, well, we're going to finish up our cookies and we're going to put them in the oven. And then we're going to eat them.
Eat them.
All right, let's tell our friends bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends. Thanks
Bye,
for
friends.
watching our
Thanks
video.
for watching our video.
What do we tell them? What are you supposed to say?
Like and subscribe and enjoy our video.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.